Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can earn some extra income using internet. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the three methods for earning cash online. The first method will be paid service, the second will be the cash offers, and you can refer new persons to this website and you can earn up to 30% of their earnings. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, then please consider subscribing. Now without further delays, let's get into it. I'll put a link in the description. You just have to go to that link and you will be directed to this website. Here you have to simply make an account. So let's quickly make an account. Here you just have to enter your email and your password. Okay, after that click on this join now. So here you have to enter your first and last name. Now just select a username and after that it will be completed and you are all set. Okay, now click on this agree to all and click on agree and continue. So here your account is created and right now my account balance is 0. So they have just sent a link to your email address. So first of all you have to open your email address and confirm your email address. Here you can see that you will be paid instantly after you will complete the service. There is no any limit of earning. Okay, so you can earn as much as you want. Here you will get 2 cents for every 10 questions and you can take as many surveys as you want. So let me just show you an example. Here you can see that they are just asking you simple questions and you have to answer them. For example, here they are asking that which of the following devices do you use. You can select any of these options. Okay, so I will click on this I don't play and I will click on this answer. Okay, so like this you have to answer their 10 questions and you will be paid 2 cents. So let's quickly answer these questions. We have answered 10 questions and here they are saying congratulations, you have earned 2 cents. Okay, so let me show you my account balance. Here you can see 2 cents have been added to my account. One more thing, you will get bonus daily here. For example, here at the end you can see that you will have to answer a simple question and you will be awarded 1 cent. So I will click here and you can do this once a day. Here they are saying that on average how many stores do you shop in each month. So I will write as 2 or less. Okay, and these are the average answers and you will be paid 1 cent for this. Let me show you in my account. The another way of earning is here at the top. You can see you will have to answer a simple question and you can unlock surveys for 5 cents. So I will click here. So this will be done within a minute, so just be with me here. I will show you how you can do this. So here if you want to add your address and your city, then you can just do it here. They're saying that if you'll add your address, then they can just give you the accurate service for you. So I will click here and at the top you can see that 5 more cents is added to my account. And just like this you can earn as much as you want. Here other than paid service you can also earn through cash offers and you can also earn through referrals. Okay, so you just have to refer a friend and you will earn up to 30% of his earnings. Okay, so let's talk about how you can withdraw these funds. Ysense is giving you too much withdrawal options. If you want to withdraw your cash through Amazon gift cards, then you can do it here, or if you want to withdraw your funds through Payoneer, then the minimum threshold is $52 and you can also withdraw through Skrill. Let's say that I just want to withdraw my fund through Skrill. So I will click here and once the minimum threshold of $5 will be completed, then I can just add my Skrill account here and I can withdraw my fund. Okay, so this was it. I hope you have found this video very helpful. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.